Morning, viewer. Biendas here. Here's the breaking news. Yeah, to what extent are exceptional human achievements influenced by genetic factors? This question, dating back to the early days of human genetics, seems to be easier to address today as modern molecular methods make it possible to analyze DNA of individuals throughout history. But how reliable are the answers in this day and age? What and also with this mind, an international team of researchers, including the Max Planck Institute for Empirical Aesthetics in Frankfurt am Main, Germany, and for psycholinguistics in Nijmegen, Netherlands, analyzed Ludwig van Beethoven's DNA to investigate his genetic musical predisposition. The team analyzed DNA sequences available from an earlier study completed in 2023 in which the composer's genetic material was extracted from strands of his hair. We calculated a so-called polygenic score, an indicator for an individual's genetic predisposition for a trait or behavior. For beat synchronization ability, which is closely related to musically, and also called the musicality, explained first author Laura Wisdalek of the MPIEA. Before running any analysis, we pre-registered the study and emphasized that we had no prior expectation about what Beethoven would score. Instead, our aim was to use this as an example of the challenges of making genetic predictions for an individual that lived over 200 years ago. The results of the study were recently published in the journal Current Biology. Interestingly, Beethoven, one of the most celebrated musicians in the history, had an unremarkable polygenic score for general musicality compared to population samples from the Karolinska Institute, Sweden, and Vanderbilt University, US. However, considering the limitation of the current polygenic scores and the fact that a genetic indicator for beat synchronization ability may not directly tap into Beethoven's composer skills, that is called the musical creativity, this finding is not unexpected. Senior co-author Simon Fisher of the MPIPL explains, obviously it would be wrong to conclude from Beethoven's low polygenic score that his musical abilities were unexceptional. We think that the big mismatch between the DNA-based predictions and Beethoven's musical genius provides a valuable teaching moment. Behind the report.